If I can, Madam Clerk, have you read the motion before we have a vote?
This is a motion for ratification with respect to report number 130, 2018, engineering and operations. We recommend that bylaw 87, 2007 be repealed and replaced as outlined in this report, and that a new designated truck route bylaw as outlined in this report be presented to City Council for ratification, and that a $10,000 expansion to the road sign budget, maintenance budget, be included in future operating budgets for council's consideration to cover the cost of an annual billboard rental, and that the mayor and the clerk be authorized to execute all necessary documentation.
So I sign first, and I'll say no. Councillor Aiello.
Yes.
Councillor Benz.
No.
Councillor Chung.
In favor.
Councillor Foles.
In favor.
Councillor Fraser.
In favor.
Councillor Katuga.
In favor.
Councillor Hamilton.
Yes.
Councillor Johnson.
Against.
Councillor McKinnon.
Yes.
Councillor Oliver.
Against.
Councillor Roberto.
In favor.
Councillor Yu.
Against. No.
Sure. Or Madam Clerk? Okay, it has passed 7-6. Thank you.